everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and today I'm going to share a concocted dessert recipe, the cottage cheese sweet. I will start the recipe with making the cottage cheese or the chenna, and for that here I have taken 1.5 liter of milk, and when it starts boiling I will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to curdle the milk and to get the fresh cottage cheese. This particular sweet dish is a concoction of Odisha's steamed sandesh and Bengal's Chenna Sandesh with a little bit of personal touch. Make sure you drain out the water from the cottage cheese, wash to remove the sour taste of the lemon juice and squeeze out all the water properly to get complete dry cottage cheese. And give it a nice mix. Next to this, I am going to add 2/3 cup of condensed milk. This will give the sandesh a sweetness and the creamy texture. Now mix the cottage cheese and the condensed milk nicely till it has a uniform texture and consistency. To this I will add 2 tablespoons of Confectioners sugar that has cornstarch in it. This will help in binding of the dessert. If you don't have the Confectioners sugar, then go for only 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk soaked saffron strands for that nice golden orange color. Finally, a few pinches of fresh cardamom powder. Give a final mix to all the ingredients nicely and keep aside. Now in a steel bowl or a lunch box, take half a tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, spread it all over. Transfer the cottage cheese batter into the bowl and spread it all over. You can also wet your palm and smooth the top of the sandesh. Now cover this nicely so that the steamed water doesn't enter the tiffin box. Now in a saucepan, take required amount of water and keep a stand. On the top, keep the tiffin box and cover the saucepan. Let it to steam for 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat. So it's been 30 minutes now. Take it out and wait till it cools down. Check it with a fork whether it has steamed to perfection or not. Now I will keep this in the refrigerator overnight so that it sets down nicely. And the next day, take it out and cut it into pieces. And now enjoy a concocted sweet dish, the Chenna Sandesh. Let me tell you that it tastes like a combination of Kalakand and the Kesar Peda. So that's all for today's video. So I will see you soon in one more recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Do like, comment and share the video with your loved ones. And for other details, check the description box.